Good morning, student. Today I want to start.
Exercise 3.4, question number 3. Cot x is equal to minus root 3. So first of all, cot x means 1 upon tan x is equal to minus root 3. This can be written as tan x is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. Minus 1 upon root 3. How much? Tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree means tan pi by 6. So we get tan x is equal to minus tan pi by 6. So first of all, make in form of tan x is equal to tan y. So tan x is equal to tan pi minus pi by 6. You know, in second quadrant tan is negative, means tan pi minus pi by 6 means in second quadrant tan negative. So minus tan pi by 6 can be written as tan pi minus pi by 6. Finally we get tan x is equal to tan 5 pi by 6. So this is in form of tan x is equal to tan y. Then general value x is equal to, in case of tan, general value is equal to x is equal to how much? N pi plus y. So x is equal to n pi plus y. Y means 5 pi by 6, where n is element of z. Exercise 3.4, question number 9. Sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x is equal to 0. So here this is not in form of sin x is equal to sin y. So how to make in form of sin x plus sin y? Sin x is equal to sin y. Because is equal to sin y, then general value of x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into y. So first of all, change in form of sin x is equal to sin y. So how to change? Let us take sin x and sin 5x. So sin 5x plus sin x plus sin 3x equal to 0. Sin c plus sin d. You know, 2 sin 5x plus x by 2 into cos 5x minus x by 2 plus sin 3x equal to 0. This can be written as 2 sin 5x plus 3x into cos 5x minus x means 4x by 2 means 2x plus sin 3x is equal to 0. Here we take common sin 3x. We get 2 cos 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So sin 3x equal to 0 or 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. When sin 3x is equal to 0, then general value of 3x is equal to n pi. You know formula, sin x is equal to 0, then general value of x is equal to n pi. So 3x is equal to n pi. So x is equal to n pi by 3. If 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, means 2 cos 2x is equal to minus 1. So cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. This can be written as cos 2x is equal to minus cos 1 by 2 means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree means pi by 3. So cos 2x is equal to minus cos pi by 3. So first of all, how to do? First of all, convert cos x is equal to cos y form. So how to convert? You know, in second quadrant cos negative or positive? Negative. So cos 2x is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 means minus cos pi by 3. Minus cos pi by 3. So cos 2x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 2x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. You know, cos x is equal to cos y, then general value of x is equal to n pi plus minus y. you know cos x is equal to cos y, then general value of x is equal to 2n plus pi plus minus y, this formula. So using this formula we get 2x is equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3, overall dividing by 2, so x is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. Next, cot x plus tan x is equal to 2. Find the general value of x. Cot x means cos x upon sin x. Tan x means sin x upon cos x equal to 2. Cos square x plus sin square x upon sin x into cos x is equal to 2. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So 1 upon sin x into cos x is equal to 2. Cross multiply 2 sin x into cos x is equal to 1. You know 2 sin x into cos x is equal to sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to 1. Sin 2x is equal to sin pi by 2. So here sin x is equal to sin y types. In case of sin x is equal to sin y, general value of x means here is 2x. So 2x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 2. So this is general solution. This can also be written as x is equal to n pi by 2 plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 4. Next, root 3 cos x plus sin x is equal to 1. This question is of types a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. This question based on this article. So in this article, you know, dividing both sides by under root a square plus b square. A square plus b square means coefficient of cos theta square plus coefficient of sin theta square. A means root 3 and b means 1. So dividing both sides by under root a square. A square means root 3 square plus b square means 1 square equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 2. So root 3 by 2 cos x 1 upon 2 sin x is equal to 1 upon 2. Put this is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to cos alpha and 1 by 2 is equal to sin alpha. Root 3 by 2 is equal to cos alpha and 1 by 2 is equal to sin alpha according to article. And what is this? 1 by 2 is equal to cos beta. So root 3 by 2 means cos alpha cos x plus here sin alpha sin x. 1 by 2 means cos beta. So what is this? Cos x cos alpha plus sin x sin alpha is equal to cos beta. So this is formula of cos x minus alpha equal to cos beta. So general value x minus alpha is equal to 2n pi plus minus beta. Now what is alpha and what is beta? It is clear from here. Cos beta is equal to cos 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 60 degree. Cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree means pi by 3. So beta is equal to pi by 3. And here alpha. How to find alpha? So sin alpha divided by cos alpha. Sin alpha by cos alpha means 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So 2 to cancel, 1 by root 3. Sin alpha by cos alpha means tan alpha is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means tan pi by 6. So alpha is equal to pi by 6. So put the value of alpha and beta. So x minus pi by 6 to n pi plus minus beta. Beta means pi by 3. Now here is two cases. First of all taken positive sign and then taken negative sign. So taken positive sign. So x minus pi by 6 is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 3. So this transfer in this side. So x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 3 plus pi by 6. So x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 3 plus pi by 6 means 3 pi by 6. 3 pi by 6. Finally x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2. Taken negative sign. So x minus pi by 6 is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 3. So x is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 3 plus pi by 6. So finally x is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 6. This is two solution. X is equal to n pi plus pi by 2 and x is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 6. Thank you.